I think that the biggest potential business loser this year is Google search,
Ooh,
as measured by
stunning.
pure profitability and engagement. I think it's easier for me to see where the usage comes from, as opposed to picking OpenAI or ChatGPT in terms of where the usage goes to. And the reason is because I think a lot of people don't still fully understand how machine learning and AI work, but just 30-second primer. There's two big buckets of work. There's what's called learning, which is how you learn how to make predictions. And then there's what's called inference, which is when you actually type something into the search box, you get the answer. The thing with learning and what ChatGPT is showing is that they have learned by crawling the entirety of the web. There are 5 or 6 other organizations that are capable of crawling the entire web in terms of cost, in terms of compute, in terms of the quality of the transformers and the quality of the AI. And so I find it easier to predict the decay in the quality of Google search as that much better than everybody else than I find it is to predict who will win, because I think that with enough time and money, Oracle, Microsoft, Google, the Chinese internet companies can all compete, Facebook. And so I think that you'll converge on the same training, which will lead to the same inference. And so I think consumers end up getting confused and will end up being able to get high quality search results from many places versus today, you would only think that Google is the only game in town, quite honestly, for most people.
Well,
so I think that
the statistics show that. Yeah.
Google could lose 10 or 15% of usage to all these other sites. And that may not make any of those sites that relevant, but it'll have a material, measurable impact to Google and Google's bottom line.
Fantastic prediction. And I think, ChatGPT or these other ones are going to have a very interesting marketing attack that they can do on Google. Is why search when you can get an answer, right? Hey, we'll just give you the answer. You don't have to search.